Viewers, today is National Principal Day, and we got some work to do for our principal, Principal Reed. Let's take a look what the kids are doing for our amazing principal.
I'm doing my best for Principal Reed.
Hey, Lenny, tell the viewers, what are you doing?
Hey, card for Miss Reed.
Okay, good job.
We're making a card for Miss Reed, and I'm going to put sprinkles.
Me too.
I'm going to make her eyes water.
Show the viewers. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to make her eyes water like happy tears. I'm going to make her eyes water really today.
Ooh.
I'm going to make her eyes water.
Show us what you made for her. Holy smokes, that's beautiful. All right. Principal Reed, the children have something to say to you.
Thank you, Miss Reed. We love you. Thank you so much, Principal Reed. Thank you. Thank you for having us on our
Thank you, thank you.
I really wanna thank you.
T-A-A-A-K-Y-O-U.
Thank you. I really wanna thank you. Let's read it for Miss Reed.
I want to thank each and every one of you all for being so kind to me. During my first year as your principal, I told my kids what you did, and they almost cried. I think they did cry, to be honest, because you were so kind to their mom. So I thank you all for being so kind to me. I think of you all as my own, and I do all that I do to make sure that you all have a great environment to learn and grow in each day. So thank y'all for making me feel special.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
All right, viewers, we did it. We put a smile on the principal's face. We made her eyes watering, and even her daughters. Thank you, Principal Reed. Have a great day.